Ooh, a little water there. Still looking good. What's going on? My whole 6 subscribers, or 7, I think. I think that's enough shenanigans for the morning, and I think it's time we go ahead and get to work on the mini truck. What's going on, you guys? So basically, this is what I have planned for the Toyota Tacoma drift build. For a priority and stuff we got to get, you know, ASAP is going to be a welded diff in the back, lowered and new suspension for better handling, a parking brake because this thing still doesn't have a parking brake, and the last 2, maybe a bucket seat and hopefully some new tires if my funds don't run out. And then for optional stuff, it'll be the steering wheel, the hydro e-brake, you know, intake headers, just basic stuff. But I'm hoping to get these first 4 done, maybe this month and next month. So let's get to work and stay tuned for the progress. I'm going to go ahead and get the rear diff out and get it welded up and hopefully put back in today. So we have the diff here all welded. Not my best work. I was using a stick welder because the MIG was not set up for steel right now. So I went ahead and stick welded that up, cleaned all the teeth up really good, make sure there's no little chunks of metal, flushed it with brake cleaner and compressed air. So I had to actually bleed both of the brakes because I had to take a brake line off to get that axle out. So I just got done bleeding the brakes and all the hardware is back on. And all that's left is getting your gear oil right here. I'm just using some whatever generic gear oil from O'Reilly's. And then basically you just squirt it in here until she overfills. So, probably a good idea to have something there, and you're just squirting it all in. All right, well, If anyone's planning on doing this to a 96, make sure you buy more than 32 ounces. I should have looked, but I assumed since this diff was small that it would be enough, but I just dumped the whole thing in there, and I need some more, so. All right, so I was looking around and I found some 75 W90, and that's 80 W90. And I read online that it's really not that big of a deal if you swap it. Plus this, it's not like this thing's new, you know what I'm saying? So I had some of this laying around. I'm gonna go ahead and fill it up. Okay, so I had just enough gear oil to fill the rear diff up. So the rear diff is all full. All that's left is to test drive it.